Hello guys, Lot Marquez. I'm here at our backyard and I'm gonna show you our old club trailer, MCOM trailer. So it needs a lot of fixing. So as you can see, the towers on top, and I have some old I need to set those up for EME. I have a 70 centimeter Yagi, cross Yagi, and I don't know what to do with it. I need to make a good it's like cross mass, so I can put it, and then I'll put the other 7-element quad on the other end, but then I would need to buy a new rotator. So and what's this? Oh, I think that's an F23 if I'm not mistaken. That one, that vertical antenna. One of these days I'm gonna open it up and show you how, what needs to be fixed, and things that are still there. That there's no radio anymore, but we have an amplifier and some old laptop, and I think we still have a tuner, an HF tuner inside. So, and here's I want to show you, I have a mango tree here. Look how many fruits it has right now. I don't know what to do with it. I think I need to fix this. Maybe kailangan ng tali dito. I can put the string, diba? So masyadong mabigat. And this one is duhat. I don't know what it is in English, but duhat. So wala pa hindi pa nag-ano. I need to cut it. Medyo mataas na and what happened here? Ito naman naputol sobrang bigat, too heavy, so yung trunk na cut. I need to cut it off entirely sa main tree para hindi na makakuha ng nutrients siguro, or hindi na nga dahil patay na, di ba? So that's avocado. So I don't know when I'm gonna get some fruits out of it. Okay, that's it. Blitzen, what's up, Blitzen? Laki na ng Blitzen. He's 3-4 years old na ata. And where's Comet? Comet, where are you? Comet! Hey! Where's Comet? Okay guys, bye-bye. A lot of work to do here. Napakainit. So maybe later in the day trabaho. And look at my dahil kung that's calamansi tree. Napakarami na na ako. Tapos ayun na naman namumulaklak na. So, and guys, it smells like sampagita. I don't know why. Parang sampagita rin Okay, that's it. Bye guys. Bye bye.